Making PS1 graphics in Godot is extremely easy. Check this out. Hi there, it's your boy Freddy, the Game Boy. I'm about to show you how to make PS1 graphics in Godot in 5 minutes. Disclaimer: this method is better for quick prototyping, short 1-hour games, or game jams. If you're working on a larger project, you might want to create your maps in Blender to avoid performance issues. Now with that out of the way, let's get started. What we're going to do is create a 3D grid map in order to be able to use it sort of like a tile set of blocks to create our level. But first we need to scale down the resolution of our game to achieve the PS1 aesthetic. We do this by going into Project Settings, Window, and changing the width and height values. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a resolution of 256 by 224, but the PS1 supported other resolutions as well. So if this one doesn't work for you, you can search in Google for PS1 resolution and see what resolution works better for you. I also changed the test window to make it bigger, and also all the way down in stretch mode, be sure to select viewport and in aspect change it to keep. Now we're ready to create the grid map. First of all, we need to make a mesh library. For this, I'm going to create a couple of meshes that are going to be the walls. Be sure to have a good size that fits your game. And then we're going to load a PS1 shader that you can download in the description below. If you don't want to use this shader, you can still achieve something similar using the spatial material, but you wouldn't be able to have the vertex snapping effect. Then we need to drag and drop our texture, and to achieve the old school look, remember to downscale the texture to be 256 by 256 or lower. For this example, I'm using a simple brick texture that I found online. It's also important to mention that Godot imports images with a filter that makes the texture look blurry, and the PS1 didn't have that at all. So you want to turn the filter off in the import settings, and be sure as well to enable repeat under the flag section if your texture is a wall or floor, so the image can tile itself around the object. After that's done, we just create a trim-mesh static body to give the mesh collisions. And now we can save the mesh library by going to Scene and then Convert to Mesh Library. Now we make our map by using the grid map node. Then we select the grid map and we add a mesh library to it by clicking on Load and selecting the mesh library we just created. This allows us to create walls by just clicking. It's like painting with the mouse now. Don't forget to adjust the cell size to match your blocks, and remember you can use WSAD to rotate the mesh and Q and E to go up or down one level. Now let's just create a hallway, add some floor, and that's it. We quickly made a spooky PS1 hallway. Thanks for watching, and if you like this content, be sure to share and subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me a lot to grow. Thanks again and have a good day.